So as you can see in the video, sorry about the glare. Next time I do this, I'm going to try to do this on a capture card so it's a little bit better quality. But right now I'm just filming with my camera pointed to the TV. So what we're going to walk through here first is just a quick 5-step process to get the box set up. You have an option to choose what language, the scale of your TV, what network you're going to connect to, and such like that. So you'll see here throughout the video what we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to choose is English and go to next. You just use the arrows on your remote. This will allow you to change the scale, so how big the picture you want it on your TV, so it fits, you know, every TV that's out there, not just yours. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just adjusting the percentage of the actual screen. And then the next one, you choose your wireless network. Now I had to cover mine up because there's people with addresses as their network name. Don't know why they do that. Must be an internet provider thing. And then this just kind of gives you an overview of the actual menu when you first get into the device. So here it is. It's basic, like every other Android box. You just have several different items to choose from: Netflix, YouTube, Kodi. It does have Kodi on it, and that's one of the things I'm going to really focus on this demonstration, is how to set up Kodi and get the newest version on there. So what it's doing now is there's an update for the wireless card. It's a firmware update. When you first launch the device, get into the GUI, it's going to tell you if you have any updates, and you're going to want to do those updates. I think I skipped one in this video, but later on, after this video was completed, I went back through and did the rest of the updates. But when you first get your box, make sure you do all the updates that you can. So now that the updates are done, we're going to go back into the main screen, and as you can see, the Kodi icon changed, so it does change a little bit of the interface once you do the update. So right now I'm just going to go into the settings, and as you can see, it says installation complete. So you just want to use your remote, and there's a cursor button. Click that and go down to the OK button. So now what we're going to do, I'm just quickly connecting my Bluetooth keyboard so I can type instead of using the remote and the on-screen keyboard. So that's what I'm doing here. And as you can see, it's connected. So now I'm using my little Lenovo keyboard with the mouse included. So this is the old version of Kodi, one of the older versions. And you're going to want to go in and delete this version. It is a old version, and there's the newer versions out. It's a lot better, less bugs. So I'm going to walk you through that process and how to install the newest version. As you can see, it takes a long time for this to exit. The new version doesn't do this. So now I'm going to go into the settings and show you how to remove the old version. So what you're going to want to do is just go into the apps under the settings, go over to Kodi, click on that. And then you're going to choose uninstall. Now I've already uninstalled this. My camera died in the middle of this, so I couldn't really show you that, so that's kind of cheating on this video, so just so you know. But now we're going to show you how to install the newest version of Kodi just by going to the Play Store. This box does have the full Play Store, so you'll be able to easily go in and get any app you want, and it takes just a second to install it. when you exit out of the Play Store and you click on the TVMC icon, it will take you to Kodi. So later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the skin that they use and put your own on. I used a special one on the App Store. You can use whatever one you want. But this is Kodi 17.4 Krypton. It's the newest version as of this video. And just kind of going to show you an overview of that and the settings for the actual box. So as you can see, it has 1.2 megabytes of free memory. It shows the screen resolution, which only shows 720p. I haven't figured that out yet. And Android 5.1.1. And as you can see, when I hit exit on this version of Kodi, it goes right out with no problems, no hiccups. And like I said previously in this video, you can download any app that you want from the Play Store, and this is just a quick demonstration of the YouTube app. And on the default skin, if you just hit the plus sign, this is how you get to the apps on your box. It's pretty quick and easy to get to. I'm not saying anything bad about this skin, I just like to customize everything, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just searching for a TV launcher that I've used previously. It's really simple, easy to set up, and just wanted to kind of give you a quick demonstration of how you can go in and change the launcher on your Android box. And this is a really small app, so it doesn't take long to download. I think it's only about 4 megabytes. One of the reasons why I'm using it in this demo is that it's super small, lightweight, and quick to install. So this is just the beginning kind of guide to get you through the app and how to set it up. Basically launch your favorite apps right from the home screen, or find them in the app drawer, which I'll demonstrate later on in the video. And it kind of shows you a little quick demo of how it works and how easy it is to use. So in here you have different sections. You can choose whichever one you want to put your apps in, and you can rename them, edit them, and delete them as well. I choose the dark theme just because I like darker themes on a TV. And you can change whether you have the name of the section or the actual icon, and then you can change how many apps appear in each column. So it's simple but nice to get to everything and customize all the features that you'd want. So right now I'm just demonstrating how to create one of those sections, and we're just going to name this videos. And since I changed it from the actual name of the section to icons, that's what the icon looks like for videos. It's the one on the far right. You can change that as well, so it doesn't hold you back on how you customize the theme. This is how you add a new tile to the section. You just click on it and it added the icon to videos. And I'm going to go in and customize it, so you just push and hold it, and then it opens up this section to allow you to customize the actual icon or the tile to whatever you want. So I always pick dark icons to go with my dark theme. The app has a little bit of trouble getting, maybe it's just the keyboard I'm using, but navigating around is a little tricky with the keyboard. But you just click on it and the one you want and click apply. And that's basically it. It changes the icon right there. So it's really easy to add multiple applications to each section that you create. You can start from scratch, or you can just customize it the way they have it with each section. But you can delete the sections that they created and create your own, and do like a videos and maybe your favorite apps and browsers and things like that. So I'm just going in and adding YouTube because that's something I use all the time. Looking for a dark one, just click on it, hit apply, and when we go back, it's right there. So this is where you would go in and change your wallpaper if you wanted to change the background. So you can put custom backgrounds in it if you want. But I don't have any saved on this device, so I couldn't really show you that. But this is how quick and easy it is to go in and edit your wallpaper. So I'm going to quickly edit the grid so there's not so many icons on the screen. So we're going to go in and choose 4 so the icons appear bigger, a little bit easier to click on, more actual space for you to choose when you're clicking on those. So it might be a little bit easier. If you have less icons, it'll give you the option to reduce the amount of icons shown on the main screen. And if you click on these little 9 squares over here, the grid, this will take you to the app grid where you can go in and look at all the apps that you have. Click on any of them to open the app, and you can search and alphabetize them as well. I like to do the grid-based list so it's easier for you to go in and find the apps. You don't have to search all the way through to get something that ends in Z. As you can see, when you click on the Kodi app, it just goes right into the application. It's easy as that. So since it wasn't asking me to change my default launcher, I'm going to go in and show you how to easily go in and choose the launcher that you want that comes up every time you hit the home button on your remote or your keyboard. So as you can tell here, when you click on home, it takes you to the new launcher that we put on the box. So that was just a quick demonstration of the DOLAMEE D5 Android box. It works fairly well. The processor is a little weak, but other than that, I mean, it does what it needs to do, and you can also get Kodi, so that's the biggest thing. I will be doing Kodi videos in the near future, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this.